shadow between us that feels the same. Your eyes hold stories you'll never share, but silence speaks louder than words ever dare. The unspoken lives in the quiet night, in the fragile pause before the light. It's the heartbeat lost, it's the breath we save, the truth we carry but never say. Every step closer, the distance grows, a river of meaning that never flows. We hold on tight, but our hands still shake, afraid of the sound that the silence makes. The unspoken lives in the quiet night, in the fragile pause before the light. It's the heartbeat lost, it's the breath we save, the truth we carry but never say. Maybe one day the walls will fall, and the silence will finally tell it all. But until then, we drift like rain, two souls divided by what remains. The unspoken